So this is week 3 of our 4-week series. This one is going to be more of an open awareness practice, which I'll guide us through. The first practice we did was more of a breath awareness, which is a very focused attention practice. And then the second one we did was a body scan, which then starts to incorporate more of a body awareness and being mindful of just our bodies and checking in and using that as a checkpoint. The open awareness that we're going to be doing today is using sound, body sensations, and even thoughts. And it really is thinking more about expanding the lens of attention, whereas breath awareness or focused attention is usually one spot. We're broadening it to allow other data points to come into the realm or the lens of attention. So the guidance will be similar in that just find a posture that feels comfortable for you, seated, lying down. And so take that posture now, just feeling into the seat, even just feeling the body settling into some stillness. Closing the eyes if that feels comfortable. If you prefer to keep them open, just picking a place for the gaze to land. Just creating some space from activity, space from movement and doing. And just coming into this moment, just as it is. No need to make something here that's not. So as the body comes into some stillness, the eyes closed or lowered, just taking a minute to check in with the body, using that as a checkpoint to kind of center the attention. Just feeling into the body sitting or lying down. Just taking this moment and just seeing what sensations are noticed, sensations within the body. Is the attention directed to something very specific, or is it just a general awareness of the body sitting or lying down? There may be a recognition of the sensations of breathing, or maybe a tingling or pulsing, just the flow of energy through the body. There might be an area that's very tight or sore, fatigued. Just when directed, where is the attention drawn to within the sensations throughout the body? And just really taking that in, noticing it, just investigating. And with that, now just shifting to sounds, maybe sounds in the room, sounds outside of the room, even sounds within the body. Just take in the soundscape that's around you. What's noticed? Is there a sound that's constant, like a fan or something within the room that just a slight hum, or a sound that kind of shows up and goes away? Cars going by outside, maybe a bird, stomach rumbling. Just taking it in, whatever sounds are here. even now, just shifting to the quality of the thoughts that might be flowing. It might be a thought that's kind of a story that we might be getting caught up in, even just a sense of openness, no real no real catch or draw. Just, is there anything that the mind seems focused on? Even just paying attention to the quality of the thoughts. For the remainder of this practice, just flowing between those three areas, whether it's sensations in the body, sounds, or even thoughts or thinking. Just seeing where the attention goes. And if it's a sensation, just name it, feeling, tingling, sensation, body. Or if it's a sound, just say hearing. Or if there's a recognition of a thought or a train of thought that the attention gets caught up in, just notice it and label it thinking. And just again, pull the lens out and see if it's possible to just allow the attention to be a little more open, a little more free flowing with what's here. Just taking in the environment, taking in the body sensations, even catching the thoughts that pop in and pull the attention into someplace other than what might be happening here. So with that lens open, just noticing what's here, what's noticed right now. There's no right way to be in this moment. There might be a desire for a rule book or a doing it right. It's really more about just checking in with where the attention is, and then gently just guiding it back to something that's here, and using sounds, sensations, and thoughts as a place to check in, to notice, to pay attention to really explore. If this open lens feels overwhelming or at any time just too much information, then make the choice to pick a spot for the attention. Just using that agency and that ability to make a choice to land on the breath or a sound or something specific. Noticing if that helps ground the attention. And then when you're ready, seeing how it feels to open it back up again, and just playing with that dial, that lens, that narrowing and then opening of information for the attention. There may be a dance between sounds and then noticing a sensation and then catching a thought, letting it go. Or the attention might be really grounded in one thing for a lot longer. The time spent in any area is not important. Just catching the attention and making sure it's here in the now. And if it drifts, just bring it back gently. And just using that sound as an indication that this practice is coming to an end. So just take the time to transition in a way that feels good to you. If you need to stretch, take a deep breath. Whatever feels right. When you're ready, just opening your eyes and coming back into the room. Thank you for joining this practice. For more practices, please subscribe to this page. Thank you.